Welcome back to MXTV. In this week's top product, we're going to have a look at the Motul off-road chain pack. It's got everything you need to clean and lube your chain. Let's take a look inside the box. It comes with the chain clean. Now this removes all of the dirt, sand and grease out of your chain. Comes with a fantastic brush that cleans your chain thoroughly. And of course, chain lube, which you want to spray on your chain after you've given it a good dry. And also this chain lube is designed specifically for off-road chains. I've been using these products in this pack for 15 years and I use it every single time I wash my bike. I clean my chain when I wash my bike. I swear by it. It is fantastic value for money in the pack. Get down and check it out at your local dealership.